What's up, you guys? My name is Chrissy and I run the detailing here at Freedom Wholesale. Today is actually my very first day getting started on this car right here. If you tuned into the last episode, you would see my dad starting to work on the motor of this absolutely gorgeous 1956 Ford. And today's not going to be a very long video on my side. We're just going to be focusing on the windows. Though it may not really seem like it, the windows are actually vitally important in any vehicle when it comes to first impressions and cleanliness. The biggest thing is not only tagging the inside of the windows, but the outside. And this car is super dusty, so that's gonna be fun. Let's get into it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this and a whole lot more.